Hey, oh, here we go. We got somebody.
Marcus Luttrell. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Nice to meet you.
At this point, I think Marcus is just happy someone showed up.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan. Thank you so much.
As it turns out, Marcus is a fan of the show, so he asked Chip to take a seat with him.
What's your dream car?
My brother and I got had a thing for the Shelbys.
What years?
67 through 9.
Yeah, those are cool cars.
Yeah, the bet was on our 40th birthday, the less wealthier brother had to buy the other one, the car of his choice.
Yeah, I love those old Shelbys.
But little does Marcus know this is more than just small talk between Mustang enthusiasts.
So is that your dream car?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. You're on Overhaulin. We're gonna build your car.
This is a good one. I'm excited, man. I can't stop smiling.
Guess I can take my fake teeth out now? Congratulations, Marcus.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
I know, brother. Why don't you guys hold this up together? Marcus Luttrell and his brother Morgan have been car guys since they were little kids playing on the ranch. In fact, they made a bet that would end with one of the brothers getting the car of his dreams on his 40th birthday. And now, Morgan is making good on that bet. And that dream car is a 67 Mustang Fastback inspired by the Shelby GT500. And that, my friends, is where we came in. We got to shelve the ride, met with Morgan, and got to work. And oh man, is there a lot of work. One essential piece of the puzzle, as always, is the exhaust setup. So Richard dropped by to formulate a game plan.
So basically we're starting with a blank slate. Did Chip give you the information you need to get started on the exhaust?
Yeah, Chip's basically got a whole rear end treatment he's doing to the car. Of course, the exhaust is one of those features too. So we've got some fascia work down below. I've got some different tips we're gonna put in. But all in all, we got a whole bunch of work to do all the way to the front.
So are we thinking full custom exhaust? Is it gonna be really loud?
Well, since we have a Coyote motor going up front, we got late model fuel injection, so we got some headers we're gonna work out. And yes, I'm gonna be working all the way to the front, all the way to the back. So a full custom, working through all the new suspension we're putting in as well.
All right, Marcus, with Richard's help, we're gonna bring the thunder. Right now, the guys are hard at work notching the frame rails and making room for the wheel tubs. Now, this is the most metal work we've seen in a very long time at Overhaulin, but we're the A-team and we can handle it. The amount of metal work done on this car is extensive, but one of the biggest modifications of this car, the hood scoops. And as you can see, we haven't even started on them. Time's a-ticking.
May not look very pretty right now, but trust me, this bad boy is a piece of art. Ford Racing 302 5.0 motor Coyote. It's gonna be putting out about 430 horsepower, and this is gonna be one mean power plant for Marcus's Mustang, and 100% radical. Hey!
The A-team stayed late last night, and they got the first prime on the Mustang. It's looking really nice. They're blocking it out. Motor and trans are in. They're making a brand new transmission tunnel. Once that's done, motor and trans come back out, wrap up the engine compartment, back for second prime, off to paint.
So after weeks and weeks of metal and bodywork, Marcus's ride is finally ready to see a little color.
right here.
Wow. Nearly the moment of truth. How's today been for you, knowing that you're going to be getting your car back?
Just the level of anxiety, I guess. Everybody has been asking me what I think it's going to look like, and I don't want to put that into my head because I know what y'all do here, and I know it's going to be completely different than what I would have expected it to be.
You're a fan of the show, you're a fan of Foose. You've seen a lot of episodes. Did you ever imagine that you'd be standing where you're standing right now, about to experience what you're about to experience?
No, I mean, I'm the last guy that deserves to be here, man.
Well, you definitely do, man. Your story has been our inspiration and Chip's inspiration and the team's inspiration to do their very best in this build. And in a couple minutes, you're gonna see that they've accomplished that goal. And we just, again, wanna say thank you for what you did for us and for your country. And this is, again, a very small way that we can pay you back.
I appreciate it, brother. Thank you.
Are you ready for your day to get a whole lot better?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go for it, man.
Holy man. Good job. That's perfect. That's unbelievable. Everything that I would have ever wanted on that car is on there. I'll be staring at it and figuring things out on it for a long time. Thanks, man.
It's our pleasure, man.
Marcus has been trained to not show emotion, but you know what? I think we got him on this one.
And that's too much.
Well, I know there's a lot to take in right now, so I'm gonna have the man himself, Chip, take you around the car and point out some of the special features that the boys cooked up for you. Chip, take it away.
We'll start back up front.
I love that color. The first thing that jumped out at me was the paint scheme. It works so well together on that car.
First, we'll start with the grill, with your bird from the Never Quit. And we actually reworked the whole bottom, and then it's got a lower body kit below that. The bumper has been narrowed and tucked.
Yeah.
The hood on the top has been cut and pulled all the way back, dropped down so you can get some cooling out of the back of the hood there. One-off Foose wheels. We got big giant brakes inside there. Flushed out the gas cap here, used the Eleanor side scoops. Fit the rear bumper, and then use 69 Firebird taillights. And then you see the Never Quit logo in the center there, and then the dual exhaust system that's coming all the way out the back.
That's beautiful.
Lots of subtle little changes.
I don't even remember being this after my kids were born.
Of course, none of this would have been possible without the hard work and diligence of the A-Team.
Good to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
This is Ron.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
And Chippy, would you do the honors?
And now it's time for Marcus to see that beast of an engine.
Mark, you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Let's see it, yeah.
All right, here we go.
That's awesome.
2015 Ford Coyote.
Yeah.
5-liter, 6-speed trans.
Seeing it's one thing, you want to hear it?
Absolutely, yeah.
I'd like to give you the floor. Take a few moments to address these guys.
Man, I don't even know what to say. Thank you, obviously. If I could start with that, probably be a good idea. The work going into getting this done and the time and effort means a lot. I'll never forget it. I'm real uncomfortable with people doing things for me. I don't like that, but every now and again I take advantage of it, so I'm gonna take this from you guys. Hope you don't mind. Thank you.
About a round of applause for me, guys. You know how the show works, man. Someone nominates you for the show, and they love you, they care about you, they know that this is your dream car, and they want you to be happy. And if you turn around, that person's here.
Happy birthday.
Nice to meet you.